We've just acquired this Mercedes SLK. Absolutely superb condition. It's got the upgraded alloy wheels, all in lovely condition. Got the twin exhaust at the back. It's a lovely low mileage example. It's got the contrasting full leather interior. Got electric windows. All the warning lights go on and off. It's on 52,000 miles. It's got satellite navigation upgrade. Got heated seats and air scarf. Auto headlights. Just putting the roof up now. Roof goes up really nice and slick. Cruise control as well. At DJH we do have full dealer facilities, including arranging finance and part exchange. For any further information, please give us a call on 07 503 751 005. Thank you.